Welcome to the Meeting Change Labs. My name is Elizabeth Henderson.
And I'm Mariella McElroy.
My lab assistant for today, the lovely Mariella. Everyone is talking about carbon and they're talking about global warming, but what does that mean? What does that look like? When you talk about a carbon footprint, what exactly does that mean? So today what we're going to do is a very simple experiment using some simple ingredients from a kitchen. We have an empty soda bottle, we have baking soda, and we have some vinegar, as well as a very lovely green balloon. And what we're going to do is demonstrate how easy it is to generate carbon dioxide from everyday activities. All right, Mariella is going to do this experiment. So Mariella, please put on your safety glasses.
Okay.
All right, high-risk experiment. Protect our eyes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to measure out about 2 cups of vinegar, and we're going to put it into the empty soda bottle. So there's about 1 cup and 2.
Check.
All right, check. Now I'll take that. And we're going to put about 5 tablespoons of baking soda, or maybe just a little bit less, into the balloon. So you can see that Mariella's got the funnel there and the balloon, and she's going to put some baking soda in there. Okay, there we go, and make sure you tap that down into the balloon. Perfect. Okay, so what's going to happen now is Mariella is going to fasten the mouth of the balloon over the mouth of the soda bottle. And what we're going to, in a minute, show you is, if we've got our, if my lab tech got the mounts right here, we're going to show you the balloon expanding. And what's going to happen now, as Mariella is putting that on top, is the baking soda is reacting with the vinegar, and you can see that balloon inflate. We're going to, in fact, see a lot of carbon dioxide be produced from that simple reaction. As you can see, the balloon is pretty full. What we did there was we created about 10 grams of carbon dioxide from that reaction. I think we're going to get a few more there too as Mariella shakes the bottle. And that's about 1 cubic foot of air in that balloon. And so the meetings and events industry also creates a lot of carbon dioxide from its activities. For example, when you stay in an average hotel, and not a really green hotel, maybe a hotel that has a linen or towel reuse program, maybe does some recycling, you're going to generate about 24 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent from that stay. That's about 53 pounds. And when you translate that into balloon currency, that's about 2,650 green balloons that you produce per night when you stay in a hotel. Now, when you go to a meeting or event, often you travel and you usually take a plane to get there. And so a flight, for example, from Vancouver, where Mariella is from, to Rome, where I really would like to go, you generate about 3 tons of carbon for that round-trip flight economy class. And that, in a balloon equivalent, is about 300,000 of our beautiful green balloons here. For a mega event like the World Cup, when you take into account all of the fans who come to the game, all of the players and their travel, their hotel nights, you generate about 2.8 million tons of carbon dioxide. And when you put that into balloon currency, about 280 billion green balloons. A lot of times when people talk about equivalencies, they talk about how many Olympic swimming pools that was going to fill. And when you put all of those balloons into an Olympic swimming pool, it would fill 3,181,818 Olympic-sized swimming pools. From the Meeting Change Labs, I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Mariella.
Have a great day. And to put that in perspective, that's about 280 billion green balloons.